What's going on, guys? I thought I'd just share with you my Craigslist ads. I recently, as you know, I'm in Tampa, and because of that, I need to go through my Craigslist ads and update them to not only the Tampa market, but the material within the ads needs to say Tampa, it needs to have a local phone number, and I want to make sure that they're applicable to this market. So while I was doing that, I was downloading them, putting them on a Word document, and changing the verbiage in it. I thought, you know what? Since I've already gone through all this trouble, why don't I just share it with the rest of the group? Maybe they could just swipe and deploy it themselves. Especially in a Word document, all you have to do is open up the document, type in Robin and Eric instead of Jeb with a local phone number for your market, or anyone else's. I'm just using Robin and Eric. No, I'm not biased to them, although they are a great couple and I like hanging out with them. You guys can change it to whatever works for you, and that way you hopefully don't have to go through the trouble of doing it. I want to say the best success I've had with these Craigslist ads is going through your local market or even other markets that are maybe heavy populated with investors, and look to see what Craigslist ads catch your eye. I'm going to actually show you an example of one of them that caught my eye in San Diego. I thought was really clever, and it's really cool if you read it. You just see this huge pile of money and these people that look stoked. This is how much money we made selling our home to local investors, And really, what's funny is it totally gets you to read, right? Did my agnostic title and catchy picture make you click? Good, because blah 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 blah. Unlike these bright yellow signs, yeah, blah blah. And what's funny is they probably do put up these yellow signs, but guess what? It doesn't matter. I read all the way through the thing because I thought this was clever. So I'm going to change it to say local investor Jeb with my phone number and use this as one of my ads. So anyway, hopefully this is helpful. Hopefully you guys could get something from it. Hopefully just save a little bit of time. And the last thing I do want to say is if you know anything about Craigslist ads, they expire at, I don't know, a week or two intervals. And if you post like 3 to 5 a day, you're never out all your Craigslist ads. What I mean by that is if I were to post all 15 today, in 2 weeks, if I didn't catch it on exactly the day it expires, that means all my advertising on Craigslist is gone. It's not on the internet. But if I post, let's say 3 to 5 posts a day, that means they're constantly rotating. So the day that I'm posting 5, I could refresh the ones that had expired yesterday, a week ago, if that makes sense. So just posting 3 to 5 a day has helped for me. And not only that, if you're just refreshing those, you could turn it into 6 a day, because now on this day you could add a Craigslist ad. It only takes a few minutes to copy and paste someone else's, change it to your own words, and then add it to your queue for the day. I want to say there has been some success by using this. I get people that are calling. I have looked at probably 4 homes because of Craigslist ads, and guess what? The price is right. It takes a little bit of time setting it up at the beginning, but if all you have to do is click refresh every day and post every once in a while, and it turns you a profit of $20,000, let's say on the low end, it was worth it, right? So hopefully this was helpful. I'll share the ads with you and we'll go from there. Thanks, guys.